I just finished doing this new workout. It's called Arabic exercise.
Is it Middle Eastern?
No, it's not Middle Eastern. It's like the one where they do the chanting exercise. Arabic.
Eh? In 5, 4, 3.
Oh, what's this?
A missile launch?
I didn't Alpha write this. Who's Alpha write this? Who write this? Did Alpha write this?
Biracial. Well, I guess this is it. Bye, Ross.
Okay, biracial.
Dad,
Yes, son.
what's the dress code for tonight's dinner? Is it formal or...?
Nah, it's just a cashew one. It's very cashew.
Well, can I go out afterwards?
Just don't let your mother cashew, eh? Yeah, man, that's what he told me. All this dirty secret.
For real?
Yeah, man, for real, man.
How does he know?
Cause he knows. Casinos. You know it. Because what happened in the Vegas, stay in Facebook. Coincide. Oh, hey, what are you doing outside this late?
I'm playing with my friends, Dad.
Oh, your friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a heaps of friend inside. Yeah, his name is Do the Digits and Homework. Yeah, you know they're your best friend, remember? Yeah, Coincide. Hurry up. Hey, Coincide. How are you, mate? Good. Do you pack your own bag?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know the contents of your bag?
Yeah, I was push it all down to make it fit it inside.
Yeah, we've got a $500 worth in this bag. Can you please put him through to the manager?
Yeah, just walk on through, mate.
Cornflakes. And for breakfast, we're gonna have some wheat bix, porridge, and some rice bubbles.
Oh, but do you have a cornflakes?
Oh, it's finished. I ate them all.
Is it? Oh, okay. Yeah, well, I think you and me gonna have a cornflakes, mate.
But I told you there's no more cornflakes.
Oh, but there will be. Hey, I'll be waiting, John. Okay?
All right, all locked up and ready to go.
Oh, wait a minute. I forgot my key inside.
See, bro? I told you to double check everything.
So we'll just...
Oh, well.
What?
See, bro.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, see, bruh.